How have I been using PowerPoint for 35 years and just now learned about this? Cutting the cords and getting out from behind the podium and doing a better job of connecting with the audience. This micro lesson is all about using your smartphone, not only as a clicker, but peeking at your speaker notes at the same time, from this to this. This micro lesson removes the barriers of connecting with your audience, being less formal, and allowing movement around the room. To get started, you'll need to set up a few things. Your phone and the TV or projector will need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. And of course, you'll need the PowerPoint app on your smartphone. The next few instructions are for setting up your phone. Sorry, but I don't have an iPhone, so the next 3 slides show the setup for an Android. Knowledgeable iPhone users should be able to figure out their settings. You wouldn't want your phone to run out of power during the presentation, so make sure it is fully charged. You also don't want your phone ringing or chirping with notifications, so set it to Do Not Disturb. You'll want to remember to turn this off after your presentation. Then set the screen timeout to as long as possible. Again, you don't want to have to log back into your phone during the presentation. I've had mixed success with locking the phone in portrait mode, but doing so may help keep things consistent during the presentation. Then you'll want to use Smart View to connect your phone to the screen or projector. As noted earlier, both must be on the same Wi-Fi. The remainder of this mini lecture deals with PowerPoint in presenter mode and should be almost identical for Android and iOS operating systems. Load your presentation into PowerPoint and then click on the presenter icon. As soon as you press the presenter icon, your phone and the screen the audience sees will look something like this. The current slide is at the top and in the thumbnail strip at the bottom of the phone screen. And of course, your screen shows the first slide of the presentation. Tap the right arrow or swipe to the left to advance the next timed automation or slide. If there are timed animations, each tap or swipe adds the next element to the slide. You can tap the left arrow or swipe right to backup. If using timed animations, do not use the thumbnails. They present the entire slide, ignoring all timed animations. The speaker notes appear below the slide view. You can scroll down to see more text if needed. Another option is to click the small arrow to expand the speaker notes, which now covers the upper view of the slide. If you use timed animations, you must restore the upper slide view by pressing the small down arrow. Remember, the thumbnail view at the bottom brings up entire slides, ignoring timed animations. For a virtual laser pointer, just press your finger against the top image. Continuing the pressure, slide your finger to move the pointer. Tap the pen icon to draw on the slide. Then press and drag the path on the slide image. Be sure to rehearse your presentation using the smartphone. You don't need to be connected to the screen or projector to practice. Once you are comfortable with using the phone and start making presentations to live audiences, you'll be a more effective communicator and will never stand behind a podium again.